Hi, my name is Kate, and today I'll be teaching you how to graph functions as linear equations. So functions, you can use them for finding the speed or distance. So maybe for distance, it would be distance over speed, and how many hours you have been driving, or how long you've been on the road. And you can also try to find exact payments or rates. Like, let's say a person works $15 per hour, so you would take how many hours multiplied multiplied by 15, since it's the rate, and that would be how much the person's salary would be. And you can also do currency, like US, like Vietnam dong to US dollars. Let's say that the exchange rate would be 20,000 dong per dollar, so we would take the Vietnam dong and we would divide it by 20,000, since that's the rate per dollar, and we would find how many dollars it would be. So we're going to be working on this function. So first we have to make a table of ordered pairs. So scary. So let's say that the x would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So I would take the first x, which is 2, and put it in. We will try to get the y, so negative 2x, so that's negative 2 times 2, which would be negative 4, and we would have minus 1. Now this would be negative 5, so we have to divide it by 2. So that would be negative 2.5. Then you would input the second x, which is 4. So negative 2 times 4, that's negative 8. Minus 1. Yep. And that would be negative 9. Now it's negative 9 over 2. And so that would be negative 4.5. Then we would do the third one, which is 6. Try to get that into the paper. So we have negative 12 minus 1, 2. Sorry. 2, so that is 6.5. There's 6.5, so put that. And we do number 8. So this would be negative 17 over 2. So that would be negative 8.5. And for the last one, which is 10, it would be 10 minus 1 over 2. And so that would be negative 20. This one would be negative 21. So 2. So that would be 10, negative 10.5. Now we have to graph them. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And so the first coordinates would be 2, comma, negative 2.5. So 2 would be here, and for the y we would have not here, so we won't like that. And x coordinate, which is the x would be 4 and the y would be negative 4.5. So we have 4 and then 5 here. Our next coordinates would be 6 and negative 6.5. And our next coordinate would be 8, negative 8.5. That would be right here. And the last coordinate, which is 10, negative 10.5. So you have 10 right here, and negative 10.5 would be around here. So that comes in a straight line. Now we have to compute what the slope is. So the formula for the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'll pick, let's say it runs through the coordinates 4 and negative 4.5. Then we have 6 and say 6 and negative 6.5. So for that we have, let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have negative 6.5 minus negative 4.5. Then at the bottom we have over 6 minus 4. So, yeah. And so this would be this would be 2. So the slope